Going on a 5-day, 4-night cruise on Royal Caribbean. Let's go check this out.
Let's go.
There's your life vest should something happen. Plenty of storage. There's your safety box. There's your bathroom. Don't get too excited about this space, and don't think that you're going to do aerobics in it. But it gets the job done. Let's see. How do you open this thing? Oh boy. There's your shower. Okay. And we have our couch. Nice little coffee table. And excuse the mess and the pina colada, which is amazing. But here we actually opted for the drink package. In addition to the drink package, we ordered 12 of these water bottles to be delivered to our room so we could have them for our stay. And then coming over here, this is our bed. It looks comfy. There's the TV that I believe swivels. Does it swivel? Okay. And then over here we have the best part, our balcony room. Let's take a look. We are, of course, haven't left, but so you get a beautiful view of the Fort Lauderdale cruise port. But hey, this is where the magic happens. So wherever the magic happens, we appreciate. So we will enjoy this, and we'll be setting sail for the Bahamas very soon. We really loved having a balcony so that we could slip away for a little bit of quiet time and check out stunning views of the ocean. We also really liked checking out the other ships as we were pulling into port and seeing that beautiful sunset as we were leaving Nassau. Also, 2 of our mornings we had complimentary room service right on our balcony, and it just couldn't get any better. The staff were so wonderful and attentive throughout our entire trip, and especially a shout out to Mohammed, who made that really cool Tal birthday cake, as it was my birthday when we were sailing on this cruise. As a reminder, we stayed in room 1570, which was located on the 10th floor, and it was midship. Thanks so much for checking out our quick room tour of our spacious balcony room on Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't, because we have more cruise content coming your way, showing you what Liberty of the Seas looks like in 2025, our excursions in Nassau, and then what did we really think of Hideaway Beach at Perfect Day at Coco Cay, and then also what really is the cost of cruising in 2025. But in the meantime, thanks again for watching, and stay restless.